understanding how to take a building and do a layout that's functional, because you can put way too many machines in a space that all of a sudden you're just super crowded and people are not comfortable. They may not use it as much because they're hitting each other and doors are hitting and the walkways are tight. I don't think that's good. And then also, expensive as real estate is getting and continues to get, overbuilding where you got all this unused space doesn't make a lot of sense either. So that really is sitting down with your distributor and doing a good layout. But that layout and that equipment also has to take consideration your demographics, right? Because if you've got a high density, high rental, high income, in an area that's densely populated, we might push a few more machines in there than we will in an area that's just a little, they're traveling from further away. They maybe don't have the use on a Saturday that we would anticipate in maybe some other location. So it really is it's a combination of all those things, the functionality, demographics, etc. So there's a lot of that goes into how to properly design that laundry so that functions well.